Yo, startup gang, what it do? I know it's been a minute, but today is exhaust day. I got the Outlaw Flowmaster. We're finna go ahead and get this joint installed. I'm pulling up to the exhaust shop right now, so we finna go in here and get it in. Come on, startup gang, let's see what it do. We up here at Super Muffler. They did my tips and they did my muffler delete. So now they finna slap that Flowmaster up on that joint. Look at Mango. Look at Mango. You heard? Let's see how everything go, man. She getting so lifted, so high. I had to do it. Yeah. Had to do it.
Release this beat today.
Yeah. Whip fast, 200 on the dash. Make these niggas mad, I had to do it. Getting cash, it's coming fast. I just got another bag, I had to do it. This shit easy. Y'all should know. Been watching me so much, you should be ballin' out of control. Man, listen. You niggas like ambition. Can't stand the heat, then get up out the damn kitchen. We cooking up, something coming in every time we looking up. Schedule booking up. I was living foot to head, now my foot is up on you niggas' neck. In that 392, riding down 94, blowing on the 7.
Release this beat.
Hoping 12 don't pull me over. There she is. Yeah. Flowmaster on. Yeah, we'll throw him out. Yeah. Real fast. 200 on the dash. Make these niggas. You still recording? Yep. Shit. Don't tear it up, big dog. Don't tear it up, cause you're gonna be buying me a scatty. Don't tear it up, you're gonna be buying me a scatty. Listen to that motherfucker, man. God damn. Ooh, wait.
again, y'all. Mango looking good too.